In this video, we are going to learn how to create a program using IDE, Eclipse. Let's open IDE. Okay. So how we are going to create a Java program using Eclipse IDE, we are going to see now. So first you need to open Eclipse and then create a workspace. That means where you wanted to have your programs stored. Let's say I am having a folder Java training. Under that I wanted to have a folder. Let's say I am creating a new folder. So I am making it as training program, and I wanted to select this folder and click on it and then click on launch button. See here, C uses Dell desktop. That means on my desktop I have Java training folder. Under that there is a folder called training program. So here I am going to create my program. So click on launch. Once you click on launch, your Eclipse window will get open. So what you have to do is you have to create a Java project first, and then you need to create a package, and then you need to create the class which you would like to run. So we are going to see that. Just give a minute to open the Eclipse IDE and then we will get started. Once Eclipse IDE open, you can see the welcome screen and you can hide that. Click on hide button and then it will hide, and then go to file, go to new, and there is an option called Java project. Click on that and you provide a name. Training is my project name, training samples. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my environment as my JDK. If you don't want to select anything, just you can make use of the default settings and click on finish button. So once you click on finish button, your training samples will get created and it will ask for creation of modules. You click on don't create and see your training folder is created. The project training is created, and when you create a program you will have a folder called SRC. This is the root folder. Here you need to define a package. Right click, and then once you right click here, click on right click here, or else you can go to file. See, it is taking some time. Just right click and then new and then create a package. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my package name as com.training. You can give any name and click on finish. And once you create the package, what you have to do is you have to create a class. Go to new and then class. And once you click on class, it will ask for the class name. So let's say I am saying first program of my Java, and see there is an option called which method stubs would you like to create. I'm going to select this public static void main. We will learn about these things in our Java tutorials. For now, just check this and click on finish. Once you click on finish, you will see the Java program gets created here. Under that class, you wanted to define a small program saying system. You can write SYSO and then control spacebar and click on this first output, and see what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the message as this is my first program. You can write hello world also if you wanted to practice the same example as how others do. So you can copy paste and then change this as hello world. And there is an option to run the program. Click on run and the green button here and click on OK, and you should be able to see the outcome at the console. See, this is my first program and hello world both the statements got displayed. So this is how you will create a Java project. Under that you will create a package, and then you will create a class, and you know now how to run this program.